stop. Before you download Temu or place your very first order, you need to watch this. Most people just download the app and shop, completely missing out on the huge welcome bonuses. I'm going to show you the 2 best active codes right now for new users to get big discounts and free stuff. Let's get straight to it. If you want to save actual cash on your order, this is the code you need. Go to the Temu search bar and type, "This is the ultimate starter pack." It unlocks a 100 coupon bundle and gives you an extra 30% off your order. This is perfect if you're buying clothes, tech, or home goods and you just want the lowest price possible at checkout. Now, if you are the type of person who loves getting free stuff, use this second code instead. Type this in the search bar. This activates the zero-cost gift promotion. Basically, you pick some gifts you like, and if you reach a minimum spending requirement on other items, those gifts are shipped to you completely free. It's a great way to grab extra items without paying for them. Just a heads up, these codes are for new app users only, so make sure you use them before placing your first order. I've put the direct links in both codes in the description box below, so you can just copy and paste them. Let me know in the comments what you grabbed. Thanks for watching.